All right, welcome back out, everyone, to Corvette C8 Vertical Door installation number 259 that I've completed. So Brandon here, I did number 257 here as well. But within a week, the first time he took his car out with his vertical doors on, a lady unfortunately hit him and wrecked his ride. So came back out. This is a brand new Corvette C8. I reinstalled the same vertical doors from his wrecked Corvette C8 on this new Corvette C8. The only casualty was one bolt from the body shop when they were taking the hinge off, because I didn't take the hinge off. They were fighting that shock, and that 600 PSI shock, I think, just fought them a little bit too much on that last bolt as they were taking it off the passenger side. But yeah, no, beyond that, these kits, they're 35 pounds of American hardened steel. They come with a limited lifetime warranty from VDI, the manufacturer. The installation comes with a lifetime warranty with us here at Bokeyno Motorsports. Another great installation, excellent space here in the garage. As we approach winter, folks, I'm not doing any more outdoor installations coming the first week of November. So we need to make sure that cars are inside when I'm doing installations, because the weather is going to change on us very quickly. Just an FYI for my folks up in Canada and Maine and Washington for winter installations. Maybe a few instances we can still do it outside, but I'd like to start doing cars inside as the weather gets colder. But thank y'all very much. Take care. See you out there on the road. Drive safe. Wonderful cars to be driving safe in. Thank y'all.